if you try to pull the cow with a rope, she will resist. But if you take the calf and just take along with you, the cow will come behind. You don't need to pull. So the psychic center is like that. When this is awake, the Divine Mother just pours and pours and pours. We don't have to even as much as call, because it's the very nature. The relation between the psychic and the Divine Mother is truly the relation of a newborn child, an ever newborn child. It's not just a child which is, even at whatever state of realization one may arrive at, one is always a newborn child of the Divine Mother. That's the beauty of this relation. And when this is awake, obviously, beautifully it is described in many of the scriptures. One of them is that when this is awake, then when the heart strings are rent asunder, then all doubts vanish, they disappear like cloud. There's the perfect way, not by mental questioning and answering. Always there will be a counter question. Vidyanti hridgranti chidyanti sarva sanshaya. It just vanishes because one knows. There is also another very nice, beautiful story of, we know it of course, but there is a slightly, one small little micro but most important detail of the story is the story of Draupadi. When the Chirharan is taking place and she is, calling and finally at some point, Shri Krishna comes. So later on she asks Shri Krishna, why did you take so much time? Well, naturally, in the beginning you were relying on your 5, strong husbands, then on Bhishma's and Dhritarashtra's wisdom, and all these you were relying upon. He says, yes, but I started calling you at some point of time. She said, yes, but you were calling me with all those names, wherein, there was a distance and a separation. Thou who dwellest on the peaks of creation. Naturally, if you have to come from the peaks of creation, you have to cross all those intermediate layers. But finally, in a state of desperation, you said, thou who residest in the lotus of my heart. That's the shortest path. So I came instantly. This is not just a story. One's mother actually speaks of, there is a conversation in which Pavitrata is involved. And she says, for a long time he was not able to understand. So he kept on saying, this zone of consciousness, that zone of consciousness. He was trying to find me in all the zones of consciousness. And he said, naturally it takes long. But now he has understood what it is meant when it is said that I am here. I am here, right here. It is not something where we have to go very, very far to find the divine. By our belief, not even faith, that the divine is very far, he becomes very far. And when we realize that he is the very stuff of our being, he flows in our blood, he speaks through our mouth, he sports in the nerves, out of his substance.